Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making classic homemade baklava. You're going to need 450 gram package of phyllo dough, 4 cups walnuts, 1.5 pound, 3 sticks of butter, 16 ounces, half cup sugar, Zest of One Orange, Zest of One Lemon, half teaspoon salt, 1.5 teaspoons cinnamon, grate the zest of the lemon, grate the zest of the orange, finely grind the walnuts, in a large bowl, mix the ground walnuts, cinnamon, sugar, salt, grated zest of lemon and orange, finally, add the melted butter and combine well. Set the filling aside. Brush a baking pan with melted butter. Place the first sheet of phyllo dough. Brush it with butter. And add another sheet. Repeat this process until you have layered the first 6 sheets. After placing the 6th sheet, brush it with butter. Then add about 3/4 cup of the filling. Continue by layering 4 more sheets of phyllo, brushing each with butter. Don't worry if the sheets tear, just keep layering. After the 4th layer, add more filling and repeat the process until all the filling and phyllo are used. For the final layers, use 6 to 8 sheets, brushing each with butter. Pour any remaining butter over the top. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. In the meantime, we're going to make a sauce. You're going to need 1 lemon juice, half cup sugar, 2/3 cup honey, 1 cup water, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Pour water into a saucepan and bring to a boil. Add the honey and stir lightly. Add the sugar squeeze the lemon juice and vanilla. Remove from heat and let the syrup cool. Take the baklava out of the refrigerator and cut it into 4 long strips. Then cut diagonally at a 45-degree angle all the way to the bottom. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes. As soon as you take the baklava out of the oven, pour the syrup over the entire surface while it's still hot. Let it cool slightly before serving. The taste of this specialty is indescribable. You simply have to try it. Enjoy your delicious homemade baklava. Bon appétit! I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.